ठीक है जी. Then data will be given in the form, then average speed is asked. Don't get confused here. This average speed is not u plus b by 2, because it is an accelerated motion there. So obviously you will have to find this thing with, first find how much distance traveled total and how much time it has taken total, from same arithmetical formula that you are doing it from back classes. So data is given here. The given part, what it is given here speed number 1. So can I write the speed number 1 as v1 is equal to, this one is simply a suffix, means it is just showing the number 1 term. So first the distance, given distance, let distance is equal to s. Let distance is equal to s. Then first speed, that is v1 is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Let time taken is t1 hour. T1 hour for the first. The second set, distance is the same also. Distance the same, that is s. Return velocity, that is 80 kilometer per hour. And time taken, let time taken is equal to t2 hour. Then from this data, can we get, from this given data, the expression? The expression will be time should be equal to speed or velocity divided by distance divided by speed, that is distance divided by 60 hour. Similarly, time number 2 will be, what time 2 hour is there, it will be distance divided by 80 hour. Then what is the total distance? Total distance is s plus s, that is twice s, and total time taken t1, total time t is equal to t1 plus t2. So make an equation with that. Make an equation with that. The total time this with the distances. So from there, total distance and total time. So what it will be? The average velocity, average speed will be total distance divided by total time. So total distance will be, from there you have to calculate also the timings. Total distance will be twice s divided by total time taken is s by 60 plus s by 80. From there LCM will go up, s will get cancelled together, and ultimately the velocity will be in some fractions, because it will be 5 and 2, it will be 7. So there will be a total distance by total time formula. I think you must complete it by doing so. So this will be having a total figure out. So I just leave it here because of constant time. The time is just getting over. You just finish this line by saying total distance by total time. By taking LCM, just LCM will go up and SS will get cancelled and total product will be getting in a fractions. So your result will be there in some fractional form. It will be distance by time. And it is saying average speed. I'm sorry, this is asked average speed because this is distance. And average velocity will be 0 unit. It will be 0 kilometer per hour. Why? The displacement is 0. Total displacement is s plus minus s divided by time. This will cancel and this will get 0 kilometer per hour. So average velocity will terminate, average velocity will be 0, but average speed will stand there. By this way, we have just tried to give you the synopsis that how you use the expressions or how you use these relations for the purpose of taking out in the process of its mathematical function. By that way, I just leave it for so that you can calculate. By that way, I just end up here. I'll upload the homework and assignments. I think first two parts I have already uploaded. For the third part, I'll upload it again. All the three parts together and do that for your exercise purposes and your assessment and homework purposes. So we end up here. We'll meet again with the other chapter or for any other questions as such. So stay safe.